Let's continue learning about Pepeke Painu. If you haven't already done so, please watch my first two Pepeke Painu videos. As you know from the first Pepeke Painu videos, the Pepeke Painu is used to express an action or condition, and we build these types of sentences using the po'o, piko, and ave metaphor. In this video, we will learn how to write the negative form of these sentences. The sentence that we learned to translate in the first two videos is Nahui sits on the beach. The negative form of this simple tense sentence is Nahui does not sit on the beach. Keeping our octopus metaphor in mind, remember that the po'o begins every sentence. For the negative Pepeke Painu, the po'o is the word ʻAʻole. Nahui does not sit on the beach. ʻAʻole noho o Nahui I ke kahakai, or ʻAʻole noho o Nahui ma ke kahakai. The negative past tense marker is I. ʻAʻole I noho o Nahui I ke kahakai. ʻAʻole I noho o Nahui ma ke kahakai. Nahui did not sit on the beach. If we want to say Nahui is not sitting at the beach, that is the present tense. The negative present tense marker is e and nei around the painu. ʻAʻole e noho nei o Nahui I ke kahakai. ʻAʻole e noho nei o Nahui ma ke kahakai. Nahui is not sitting on the beach. If we want to say Nahui will not sit on the beach, that's the future tense. For future tense, we use e and ana around the painu. ʻAʻole e noho ana o Nahui I ke kahakai. ʻAʻole e noho ana o Nahui ma ke kahakai. Nahui will not sit on the beach. But wait, that's not all. Aside from adding ʻAʻole to the po'o and remembering these new maka painu or tense markers, we have one more thing to remember, and it has to do with papani. What are papani? Papani are pronouns or au, ia, laua, lako, oi, olua, oko, kawa, kako, maua, mako. For this pattern, it is important to be aware of these papani. If the piko is a papani, for example, instead of saying Nahui doesn't sit on the beach, we change the piko into a papani and say he doesn't sit on the beach. The piko will lele I mua. The piko will jump ahead. And the sentence becomes ʻAʻole oia noho I ke kahakai, or ʻAʻole oia noho ma ke kahakai. Lele ka piko I mua, or the piko jumping ahead, occurs in the negative Pepeke Painu sentence if the piko is a papani. Let's see how a piko papani affects these other tenses. Simple tense, ʻAʻole oia noho I ke kahakai, he doesn't sit on the beach. Past tense, ʻAʻole oia I noho I ke kahakai, he did not sit on the beach. Present tense, ʻAʻole oia e noho nei ke kahakai, he is not sitting on the beach. Future tense, ʻAʻole oia e noho wana I ke kahakai, he will not sit on the beach.